How to upload decals to Roblox on mobile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open the browser in your mobile device. Once you open up the browser, in the search bar, search for roblox.com, and then after you search for it, simply tap on continue in browser. So once you're in this page, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you're logged in, you'll find this kind of interface in your screen. From your screen, you want to go ahead and tap on create right over here. And once you're in this page, you want to go ahead and tap on the three line icon, tap on creations, and from here, tap on development items. Now inside development items, go ahead and select decals, tap on upload asset, tap on upload right over here, and then select photo library. It will lead you to a gallery. From here, you want to go ahead and select any image. Once you do that, tap on done. Once you have your image ready, you want to go ahead and name it. Now, once you have the name, you can simply add descriptions as well. Once done, tap on done and then tap on upload. And as you can see, you have successfully uploaded your decals in your mobile device. In order to view it, in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. Tap on continue in browser again. And then simply tap on this tree line. From here, tap inventory, and inside inventory, tap on this drop down, scroll below and then select decals. And right over here, you'll then be able to find all of your decals in Roblox. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.